Respected sir and my dear friend, good evening to all of you. Today I want to learn English. Why they should join Shakespeare? Why they should not go to other institute? And for it, first I want to say something about my elder brothers and sisters. Whatever they had said that मेहनत अच्छी हो तो रंग लाती है, मेहनत गहरी हो तो सबको भाती है, मेहनत नादान हो तो टूट जाती है, पर अगर मेहनत शेक्सपियर इंग्लिश स्पोकन के स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर जैसी हो तो यह इतिहास बनाती है। Now I want to say something about the importance of English. As we know that today we are living in modern era, and in this modern era English play a vital role in our life. And if you will be able to speak English, that time it will be beneficial for us, because if you will go to anywhere, that time we will not find that there's that type of person who will be familiar with our language. They will speak another language, and only English is just such a language which is spoken all over the world, and only by the help of English we can link with the world. That I would like to request you all that you must learn English, because it will be very helpful for your life. And one more thing I want to say here that why should you join Shakespeare only if you want to learn English? Now I have spent at least three years in Hazaribagh, and when I have come for the first time in Hazaribagh, that time I searched many institutes for English spoken, and I joined many institutes. Even though I didn't get there neither good English, neither good grammar, nor good conversation, and nor environment. But when I see the notebook of my friend, that time I decided that it will be good and it will be best for me to learn English, because the teaching style of sir is very different than others. Sir teaches us such a way that we can also teach anyone, and that's why when I had joined for the first time, that time I was unable to speak English anything, but right now I am able to speak English something, and it is only by due to Ritesh sir. And for Ritesh sir I want to say something that, and especially for Ritesh sir I want to say something that
carefully whatever is the specs now please everybody.
खरीद सकते हैं उन्हें तो अपनी जिंदगी बेचकर खरीद लेते हैं, पर अफसोस इस बात की है कि कुछ लोग कीमत से नहीं किस्मत से मिलते हैं। उन्हीं में से एक है हमारे रितेश सर, और रितेश सर का मानना है कि छूले आसमान तू जमी का तलाश ना कर, जीले जिंदगी खुशी की तलाश ना कर, तकदीर बदल जाएगी मेरे दोस्त, मुस्कुराना सीख ले वजह की तलाश ना कर। And one more thing I want to say here, that if you want to be successful in your life, then you will have to follow two things. One thing is regular practice and respect to the master. If you will follow these two things, then 100% I am sure that one day you will be successful in your life. And at last, especially for boys, I would like to say a Hindi line that अगर बाज की उड़ान भरनी हो तो तितलियों का साथ छोड़ना पड़ेगा। And I don't want to explain it that what I have said here, if you are able to understand, then you can understand it by yourself. That's all. Thank you.